Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pably. Today in this video we will learn how to send school college admission details to parents on WhatsApp when inquiry form submitted. Okay. So the idea here is, imagine you have a college, you are running a college. Okay. Now parents have reached to the website of your college and they are doing the inquiry for the admission procedure. You have to send them the procedure of the admission. But the problem here is, if you'll manually do this process, you have to first collect the data of the particular parent who have reached to your website, okay? Then you have to collect the data and accordingly you have to type a message and send them the procedure of admission on WhatsApp. This process is very long and you have to keep repeating it for a long time. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have created a form, okay? Now this form is attached to your website. The parents will reach to your website and where they have to do the inquiry, automatically this form will appear. Now the parents just have to fill up this form and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the procedure of admission. Okay, so for that I have used two applications here. First I have used Elementor to create the online form. Here I have used Elementor, but you can use any other platform like Google Form, Pably Form Builder or Typeform. And secondly I have used WhatsApp, you know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message. Okay, but here I have to face one problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pably Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pably Connect? So Pably Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time the parents will fill up the form which will pop up in your website, in your college website, okay, automatically on successful form submission, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that particular parent or a particular customer who have inquired about the procedure of the admission. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pably Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the particular form which the students or parents will be seeing, okay? If you'll come down here, the parents will fill up the details. So let's fill up the details on behalf of our parent, and on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page to show you. The message will appear here, okay? Now let's fill up the form on behalf of our parent. Let's say the parent's name is Tina Manuel. This is the email ID. Let me edit the number. Okay, so we have filled up the details here. Now I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Here you can see. Now we'll go to our WhatsApp web page and we will see if a message has arrived or not. Here you can see guys, clearly a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in PC Education Network. One of our team member will contact you shortly." Meanwhile, you can check your brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our admission process. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why this link is not clickable, because I haven't saved the number. Thank you. Regards, PCA Network Education. Now let me copy the link and show it to you. If the link takes us to the particular brochure, particular service which we have asked for. Yes guys, you can clearly see here we have asked for the admission process. Here we have got the brochure or the template of the admission process. Now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this process. How? By just submitting the form, automatically the parent has received a WhatsApp message with the link of the particular service they have asked for the brochure of admission process. So let me tell you the process on my screen guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pably Connect to Elementor with the help of webhook URL. So what we're gonna do first is, we'll log in into our Pably Connect account. Then we will integrate Elementor with Pably Connect, okay? Why we are integrating Elementor? Because we have created a form in Elementor and I want the parent should fill up this form, then only they will receive a message for the
accordingly for the service they have asked. So we will integrate the Elementor with the help of webhook URL. I'll show it to you practically on my screen later how we're gonna do it. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Elementor and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so students or parents will be filling up the form. Okay, now I want the data of that particular parent to get transferred in Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same, and step number 3 says send the message with the link on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay guys, why we are integrating 360 dialog instead of WhatsApp here? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that we have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, now let's start with the process. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly. Okay, let it load. Okay, as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is come to product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, now you have landed to the Pabbly Connect website. Okay, landed to the page of Pabbly Connect. Now our offer is going on. Don't forget to go and check. For the first time users, what you have to do, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you have to click this and you can create your free account guys, completely free account in just 2 minutes, because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, let me press login. Okay guys, one more time you can see all of the apps offered by Pabbly. As you know, today we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click on Access Now. Okay, so we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard looks. Here you can see I have created different workflows. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that you can see a blue button at my right corner which says create a new workflow. I'll click this and a mini box will emerge in front of me. Now you have to name your workflow here. Okay, so let's say I'll be naming my workflow as okay, so this is the name of my workflow. I have kept the name of my workflow as the app's name which we will be integrating. So we will be integrating Elementor and WhatsApp. So I have kept the name same. Now I'll click on create. So we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Okay, you can see the title name which I have given, Elementor to WhatsApp. Now, let me tell you one important information. Let me give you one important information. The workflow which we are making today, I'll add the link of the same workflow into my description box. So you can click on that link and you can directly reach, or you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Okay guys, so don't forget to go and check the link. Let me read out first what it is written here. It is written, trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, in this case, trigger is happening of an event. So in this case, trigger event will be as soon as the parents or students will be submitting the form. This will be our trigger event. And what is the response? What response we want? We want on successful form submission, automatically the parent will receive a message of the admission details on WhatsApp. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, now what we have to do, first we will choose our first application. So click on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Elementor. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. Now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event, which is new form submission. So I'll choose this. And guys, now a webhook URL has been generated in front of me. With the help of webhook URL, I'll be integrating Elementor with Pabbly Connect. But first, read the description carefully, guys. Reading description is very important because it will tell you what is your next step or what you have to do next. Guys, if you'll read the description carefully, you need not to follow any other tutorial. Just by reading the instruction, you can create your workflow completely by your own. So don't forget to read the instructions. It is written here. Go to your website and inside Elementor, edit the form you want to get integrated. Under action after submit, add webhook, open the webhook toggle and enter the webhook URL you copied above. Save the page and go to the live version of the page. Now submit the form. This sends the webhook to Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now let me show you practically how you can perform this step. Let me take you to my account on WordPress first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have reached to my account on WordPress. Okay, now we have to search for the page which I have created for this particular workflow. So for that, you have to come at the left corner, see the options, come to pages and click on all pages. Okay, so here are all the pages I have created for different workflow. Now let me search for the particular page which I have created for this workflow. Here you can see this is the particular page, PCA Education Network Admission. Okay, now let me open it with Elementor. So I'll click on edit with Elementor and let it open. Okay guys, so this is the particular form which I have created. Okay, here you can see this is the form. Now we have to add the webhook URL here, the webhook URL which has been generated by Pabbly Connect. We have to add the same webhook URL here in the form, so that as soon as the parents will fill up the details here, automatically the details of the particular customer will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll click on this form. Okay, here are the option buttons, action after submit, step setting and additional option. I'll click on action after submit, and now here you can see a small bar has been given of add action. I'll click this plus sign and here I'll search for webhook. Here you can see webhook. As soon as I have searched for webhook, our option for webhook has been emerged individually. Now I'll click this option and here you can see it has given the space to capture the value, capture webhook. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll copy the webhook. Okay, the status you can see has been automatically changed to waiting for webhook responses. Now I'll go back to my Elementor form and I'll simply paste it here. Okay. So I have pasted my webhook. Now I'll click on update. So guys, the webhook has been updated successfully. Now let's fill up the form. We'll fill up the form. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the form. This is how exactly the parents or students will see the form. They will open up the form and they will first see the page of your college. Okay, then they will come down, they will come to the section where they will fill up the details. So let's say the name of our parent here is Sam John. This is the email ID. Let me edit the number. Okay, so this is the number of our parent, and now I'll click on submit. So guys, we have successfully filled up the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see if the responses has been captured there or not. Yes guys, you can see how successfully the responses has been captured here. You can see here the name is Sam John. This is the email ID and the number we have edited. Okay, so we have successfully integrated Elementor with the Pabbly Connect. Now we will hop on to our next and final step, which is integration of WhatsApp. But guys, here we are not integrating WhatsApp. Instead, we are integrating 360 dialog. Why we are integrating 360 dialog, guys? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, click to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. Okay. So I have chosen 360 dialog. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. Guys, action event works same as the trigger event. If I'll click this arrow, I can see the various action events. Now I want to choose this particular action event, which is send template message. I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection, and now guys it is asking me for the API key and the domain. So let's read out the description first. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account, paste from the left side bar and click on generate API key button. Domain, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example vaba.360dialog.io. Okay, so guys, let me take you to my account on 360 Dialog first. Okay, so as you can see, I have reached to my account on 360 Dialog. Now, if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 Dialog or how I have created my account on 360 Dialog, so for that we have created a separate video and I have added the link of the video in my description box. You can go and check. And one more thing guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now if you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of 360 Dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me show you from where you can generate your API key. Okay, come to your left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, now here at the right corner you can see below a blue button is given which says generate API key. So click this button and you can generate your API key. Guys, this process is a one-time process. You have to generate the API key only one time, and the same API key can be used for different workflows. Okay, and with the API key, of course, the domain will be generated automatically. So what you have to do, you have to click here on generate API key and you have to generate the API key. It's a one-time process. Along with it, the domain will be generated as well. Copy the API key and domain, come back to Pabbly Connect, paste it here accordingly, API key and domain, and now click on save. So you will successfully enter back to your workflow. It's a very simple process guys. Because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process, copying of API key and domain. And let me tell you, I have already generated my API key, so I will not click on this button. I have copied my API key and the domain already. So I'll come here and I'll paste it here accordingly, and now I'll click on save. So guys, we'll meet directly in our workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have successfully entered into my workflow once again. Okay, it was a very simple process. Now we have to enter the required values in the field. The first field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you what is template first. Let's go back to our account on 360 Dialog. Now besides generate API key, here it is written show details. So click here and you can see three options above. Now click on templates and you can see here all of the templates which I have created for different workflow. Now let me show you the particular template I have created for this workflow. Here you can see send brochure final. Let me open it. Okay guys, so template is nothing but just the body of SMS which we will send to our customers. Okay, here you can see. Let me read it out for you. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in one of our team member. We'll contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. Now you people must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes? Okay, so let me tell you, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of the customer. For example, in the place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as we will enter the name of our customer in body field 1, automatically you can see the value, the number has changed to its original value. Okay, here hello, it is written Sam John. Same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are variables which will be keep changing according to the customer's information. Now let me tell you one more important thing guys, how you can create your template. If you'll go up here at the right corner, you can see a blue button is given to you which says add template. So you'll click this and the format of template will appear in front of you. From here you can name your template. From here you have to select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will write the body of SMS here. Okay, now after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. Now guys, after creating the template, you have to send the template for approval. The approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I tell you in general, the approval process is done within a day only. So don't forget to first create your template and send it for approval, guys. Why I'm telling you again and again? Because without the approval, you cannot use the template. So it is very important to first get your template approved. If I'll show you here, you can see all my templates are already approved. You can see here. Okay. So we have to map this particular template, send brochure final here, this particular template in our Pabbly Connect account. So how you can map it? Come back to your Pabbly Connect account, then come to the particular field, which is template. Click on this arrow, and here in the scroll down you can see all of the templates which are there in my 360 dialog account. Now here I'll search for the particular template which is send brochure final. I'll click this. Okay, let it load. So guys, you can see I have successfully entered the value here, the template here. Okay, now this field namespace will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything, and same goes with the language code. Here it is written EN. EN stands for English, guys. Let me take you back to my account on 360 dialog. Now here under the language section, you can see here it is written EN, EN, EN. So it shows that all our templates are in the English language. EN is the code for English. So this field will be also filled up automatically. You need not to do anything in namespace and language code. Now come to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. So we have to map the recipient mobile number. Let me tell you one more thing, guys. What is mapping data? Okay, if you'll click on this field, automatically a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you'll see in the responses, you can see the details of the customer. Now these responses are the same responses which were captured above by Pabbly Connect here. Now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect, so that whenever you are required to fill up the values in the field, you need not to go up again and again, then search for the data, copy it, come down and paste it. Instead, you can simply map the data. How? You can click on the field and you can go to the scroll down. See for the particular value, it is asking for the recipient number. So I'll enter the recipient number. One more thing, guys, please read the description carefully. It is written enter the recipient mobile number with country code +91. So it is important to use the country code with the mobile number, because without the country code, Pabbly won't accept the number and the error will be shown. Okay, so make sure that whenever you will enter the mobile number, it should be with the country code. Okay, now come to the body fields. Now I have already told you body fields are nothing but they are the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. So in body field 1, it is written Heather Ali in example. So here we have to map the customer's name. Come to the scroll down and search for the customer's name, which is Sam John. Okay, now in body field 2, it is written Pabbly Connect. So here I'll enter the name of my college. Okay, so this is the name of my college, PC Education Network, and this is the particular product. This is for the particular service the parent is asking for. They are asking for the admission process. Okay, now here in body field 4, it is given, a link is given in the example. So we have to paste the link of the particular PDF file of admission process. So I have saved the PDF file in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my account on Google Drive here. Okay guys, this is my account on Google Drive. Here I have created a folder, okay, and I have uploaded all the PDF files there according to the services which we are providing. Now let me show you the particular folder. Okay, this is the particular folder, PCA Education Network, and here you can see the PDF file of the services we are offering. Now the particular parent is asking for the admission process brochure. So I'll open this. Let me open this. Okay, so this is the brochure which we want to send to our particular parents. Come to the right corner where it is given 3 buttons, more option. Okay, now click on share. Okay, let it load. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, now copy this link, go back to your Pabbly Connect account, and you have to paste it here. Okay, simple. Now come to the body field 5. Okay, here we have to enter the website of your college. So I'll enter okay, this is the name of my website, PC Education Network. And in body field 6, again we have to write the name of our college, which is PCA Network Education. Okay, so we have successfully filled up all the details here. Now come down and I'll click on save and send test request, and we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Let it load for a second. Yes, the responses are completely positive. Now we'll go to our WhatsApp webpage and we will see if the customer has received any message or not. So here I have opened my WhatsApp webpage and you can clearly see a message has just arrived which says, "Hello Sam John. Thank you for showing your interest in PC Education Network. One of our team member will contact you shortly." Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our admission process. Link is given to you. Okay. For more details, you can visit our website www.pceducationnetwork.com. Please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay. That's why this link is not clickable, because I haven't saved the number. Thank you. Regards, PCA Network Education. Now let me show you the link, if the link is correct or not, if it will take you to the admission process brochure or not. So let it open and we will see. Yes guys, the brochure is perfectly right. We were intent to send this particular brochure only to our parents. So you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Now let me tell you one more important thing guys. The workflow which we have made today, this workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow, same workflow, in my description box. So you can go to my description box and click on that link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check. Okay guys.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.